Kunin ko yung pinatigas kong spaghetti.
I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home?
Ito na yung lunch ng mga bata. Ayan na yung ating spaghetti bites. And may edamame ulit kasi gustong-gusto din nila yung edamame. And fruits, chips. Ito kay Kuya. Ayan. Sila, nag-kiss na to eh. How's your curling?
Good.
Curling? Ay, curling naman siya. Naka-curls na naman siya. Here's up. Bye! Listen and learn!
With the light on the dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord I strike cries your name. Won't you come back home again? Stars fell out, the moon turned gray. The wind keeps whispering your name my way. I've counted the hours, I folded the time, but nothing brings you back to mine. Still see your friends from time to time. They say you are doing fine. I smile and hold my breath and count.
Gawin ko na pala yung aking gustong gawin kahapon. Ang ating chicken breast. Chicken breast, ayan. And si Jan, hinugasan niya na yung car kasi alis kami sa Saturday. Punta kami ng Adelaide. Kasi sa Saturday, not Saturday yung ano ni Sak, yung ganap niya sa Adelaide. Sunday siya. Pero Saturday kayo pupunta after ng game ng mga bata. Kasi yun naman talaga ang ano namin, yung pag umaalis kami every Saturday. Kasi yung training ni Sak is Sunday. So, and yun din yung last training ni Sak kasi malapit na yung championship ng state. So, sa Sunday, meron silang training, then photos. And yeah. And nag-email din yung mga coach na kung pwede wag na maglaro yung mga bata, yung kasali sa state, wag na mag-play ng footy for the club this week. Pero si Sak gusto niya talaga, ewan ko diyan kay Jan kung papayagan. Si Sak gusto niyang maglaro pa rin. Kasi malapit na yung laban nila for the state. Kaya gusto ng coach maging safe sila bago ang championship sa Queensland. So, gawin ko lang to. So, lalagyan ko lang tong breadcrumbs. Yung parang katulad ng schnitzel. Para pambaon-baon ng mga bata. Pero bite size lang. Then, gagawa ko ng chicken nuggets or Mexican nuggets. Kasi meron din ako dyan na means. Kailangan ko na silang gawin today. Kasi nga, Saturday alis tayo. And mamaya alis din ako 3:10 kasi si Holly back to dancing na siya. So, ihiwa ko lang siyang pag ganito. Kasi para kasya sa hiwain ko pa to pag naluto para ilagay sa lunchbox nila para magkasya. Nilagyan ko pala ng gatas para may extra vitamin ang kanilang itlog. Para sa kanilang buto. Napaka-sporty pa naman nila. Okay. This time, lalagyan ko ng Vegeta kasi i-freezer ko siya. Kasi minsan, pag salt and pepper lang, nawawala yung, parang hindi siya, pag natagal na siya sa freezer, parang tumatabang siya. So, pero kung kakainin na ngayon, pwede naman dilagyan. Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo. Kanya-kanya tayo. Okay. Vegeta. Nung isang araw hindi ako naglagay ng Vegeta. Salt and pepper lang talaga. Kasi may sauce naman yung schnitzel nila nung isang araw nung yung pinakain ko sa kanila. Okay. Deep. Flour. Egg. With gatas. Oops. Breadcrumbs. Ayan. Para yung baon nila hindi laging sandwich na may ham. Kasi si Sak, nagre-request talaga siyang hot food. Kaso nga, paano naman magiging hot food? Pagdating sa school, hindi na yun malamig. Pero eto, gusto niya itong mga ganito. Gusto niya totoong pagkain. Kasi minsan sa tinapay, nagsasawa si Sak. Si Kuya, okay lang si Kuya sa bread. Si Sak, minsan nag-ano siya. Gusto niya something aside sa tinapay. Kaya, ayan, gawa tayo ng ibang option nila. So, ito, paulit-ulit lang to. After nito, gagawin ko yung nuggets naman. Mexican nuggets. Or, kasi lalagyan ko siyang paprika. We'll see. And, lagyan ko kayong zucchini. Para may veggies din. Try ko later pag maalala ko. So, ito na lahat ng chicken breast. Ayan. So, i-freezer natin to Yung itsura niya. So, next kong gagawin is yung chicken nuggets. So, dalawa yung aking chicken breast na giniling. Isa lang muna yung gagawin ko. Kasi, eto, lalagyan ko siya ng, yun nga, zucchini. Lagyan ko to ng zucchini. Tsaka, parsley, coriander. Meron ako ditong hinugasan. Ipa-fine chop ko lang to. Meron ko ditong cheesecloth. I-extract ko lang yung tubig nito para hindi basa yung ating nuggets. Tigaan ko lang to. Kaya natin dito. Kuya, hindi siya masyadong ano. Pili lang yung gulay niya. Si Sak okay lang. Ito, ilagay ko na to diretso. Okay, linisan ko lang to. Ayan yung mga inad kong veggies. Maglalagay ako ng onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, coriander powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and then konting vegeta. So, yan yung mga ilalagay natin. Wala akong nilagay na fresh na garlic or onion. Kasi wala na akong time. Magmamadali na ako kasi ang oras. My God. Ano na guys? 2 o'clock na. Ito yung cumin. Ito lang. Then, coriander. Although, meron tayong fresh. Maglalagay pa lang akong konti. Tapos, meron ako doon na skillet. Yung pinagprituhan ko ng ng eggs. Bago ko siya i-form, titikman ko muna kung okay na yung lasa. Paprika. Mild to. Hindi siya yung anghang. Pepper. Gusto ko maraming pepper. Mga bata okay lang naman sa kanila to. Salt. Yung Himalayan salt ang gamitin natin. Then, vegeta. Parang ng gloves. So, yun lang. 1 egg. Ay, isa na lang yung natira. Ayan, dalawa. Isa na lang kasi gagamitin ko yung isa. Parang ilagay ko na lang din yung isa. Para kasi mas marami yung gulay kaysa chicken. Ilagay ko na rin yung isa. Ay, yung water niya. Kaya huwag yung ibubuhos. Tapos pinapatry ko pa yan. So, haluin ko lang to. Then, magpiprito ako. Mayroon ako dun na breadcrumbs, flour, and egg. Yung kaninang ginamit ko para sa schnitzel or sa chicken bites ng mga bata. Ay! Magkulo. Magpiprito lang ako para tikman ko to. So, ayan. Ayan yung itsura niya. Hindi pa siya yung whole nuggets. Kasi titikman pa lang natin to. Ayan yung itsura. Okay na to. Okay na yung lasa niya. Dadagdagan ko siyang asin kasi nga ilalagay ko siya sa freezer. Kasi minsan, pag tumatagal siya sa freezer, tumatabang. Yun yung na-experience ko before. Kaya, pag okay na yung lasa sa akin, ang ginagawa ko, naglalagay akong konting pepper or salt para ma-reserve yung lasa niya. Pag hindi siya kumabang, pati ko yung kukal dyan sa labas. Magpa-video siya. Bam! Try my nugget. May kausap siya.
Well, yeah, well, I'll find out tonight. It should be, yeah.
Hot, ha? Hot.
Yeah.
May kausap siya sa phone eh. Wrong timing tayo. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng ating homemade nuggets. Kailangan ko siyang iset muna sa ref bago ko i-roll sa flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Kasi mahirap siya kunin. Pero mamaya ko na tatapusin to kasi kailangan ko na rin mag-prepare para pick upin si Holly. Nagluto ulit ako. Kasi masarap talaga siya. Ito na yung dinagdagan ko siya ng salt. Tsaka pepper. Sarap. Promise. Gawin nyo to. Ilagay ko lang muna to sa ref. Linisin ko yung mga kalat ko dito. Yan. Mag-ready na ako. Papick upin si Holly. Dito na ako sa labas ng school. And nagprito ako ng schnitzel. Yung chicken bites. Well, hindi siya chicken bites, but yan. Binaon ko. Kasi ito na yung aking dinner. Kasi mamaya, late na kami makakauwi ni Holly. Hintayin lang natin si Holly. And, andito na pala yung in-order ko sa Amazon. Hindi ko na na-unbox sa inyo. But ito yung in-order ko sa Amazon. Kasi mas safe yung ating gimbal dito sa case na to. Kaysa dun sa original niya. Nagagalaw talaga siya. Ayan. May dala tayong ito. Tabasco. Si Janalis din yun. Naligo. Nung palis ako naliligo siya. Punta siya ng cardio niya para ano ulit ng kanyang back. Malapit na mag-fishing si Jan. So this Saturday punta kayo ng Adelaide para kay Sak, diba? Para sa Sunday na state training. So ito yung last training ni Sak. Kasi sa August 2 alis na kami. Punta na kami ng Queensland. Alis kami ng 2, balik namin 11. So 9 days. So everyday may game si Sak yan. Sarap. And meron ako dito yung protein shake. Yung nabili natin sa Yamba. Well, eto hindi. Vanilla pala yung nabili ko sa Yamba. Ito yung chocolate. Pero same brand. Keep Clean. Ano siya? Plant-based protein. In fairness, masarap siya. Hindi na siya malamig pero super... hindi na siya malamig. Hindi na siya mainit pero super crunchy. Wala akong nilagay na ano guys. Cushion. Ano lang yan. Nag-sunscreen lang ako tsaka yung skincare ko kanina. Tapos nag-reapply ako ng sunscreen. Tapos yung Lux na... not Lux Slim. Lux Cosmetics. Yung gamit kong ano, matte lipstick. Creamy matte lipstick. $3.12 na. $3.15 yung labas niya. Nila lahat. Tapos yung boys, may training for footy. So magti-training sila mamaya. Hi! How's your day? Okay? Put your seatbelt, Baba.
One of my friends gave me a warmer.
A warmer. Why? Was it cold this morning?
Yeah.
Alright. Put your seatbelt so we can go. Okay. May warmer daw siya. Okay, let's go. So, dito na kami. Mag-change lang siya. Pero yung class niya is mag-start pa ng 4:15.
4:15 and then turned 4:30, then ballet.
No,
5:30.
4:15 aerial.
And then 5:30 turns and 5:30
4:15 to 5 aerial, turns 5 to 5:30, ballet 5:30 to 6:30. So
6:30. I thought.
yeah, it's only 3:30. So can I check your lunchbox, please? Did you finish it?
Just not the what's it called?
What? Check natin. Let me see. How about the spaghetti bites?
They're really good.
You love it?
Well, I love them.
Oh, that's good. Oh, you didn't finish the piece.
I know.
Well, ang dami naman kasi nun.
Oh, I'll finish the cucumber.
Ayan yung, hindi mo, ayan. Yung edamame, hindi niya naubos. Yun lang naman, pero the rest is gone. Well done.
Wala na.
Wala na. Do you wanna eat the edamame?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, alcohol.
Alcohol?
Para walang sayang.
Don't spray it in your
Yeah. Here. Go da. Kasi masarap kaya to.
This is mango flavor. Hand sanitizer.
Scent. Not flavor.
Oh, well, let's see.
Okay, and then after you eat, you want some chicken?
I'll try.
Busog siguro to kasi ang dami nun. Muntik niya nang maubos. I'm happy that you finish your fruits and veggies.
This is good.
Yeah, I know.
It tastes like just like the base, but even better.
The what?
Like the base, but even better.
The base?
Mhm.
Shop?
Yeah.
Hmm?
But even better. Better.
So hanggang nakakauwi kami nito mga alas 7 na. Ayan yung kanyang lunchbox.
Mom,
Hmm?
this is good.
The
I
banana?
like the banana.
Yeah.
Every Thursday,
Hmm.
if we have banana cupcakes, can you bring it so I can have one? Because I'm always hungry after.
Hmm. Extra?
Yeah.
You're still hungry?
I'm hungry.
My God, that's a lot.
Is it?
The one I put is a lot.
Yeah, but I'm still hungry.
You're still hungry?
Hmm.
What you been doing at school? Running around?
No, sitting in class doing work. And,
Did you eat your chips?
wait a minute. Let me check.
See?
Let me check that though. Why is my beans spicy? Hopefully, wait, it's over there. Hang on. Moment of truth.
It's gone. So you finish.
Oh no.
No. You still have the raffle.
Is this Ruffles?
Raffles, I think.
I
Or
think
Smith.
that's Smith's.
Oh, okay, Smith.
But let me see what one's there.
What?
Smith.
Smith.
I got my chippies.
Naka-bis na siya. Ariel first, okay?
Yeah.
4:15. You have 10 minutes. Wearing your school shoes.
I have no other shoes.
Mm. Hi. Let's see. Natid ko na si Holly. Mag-edit ako. Hindi ko pa tapos yung ine-edit ko. So, continue ko habang hinihintay ko siya dito. Your jumper because it's freezing. Ayan. 6:37. And nakapag-edit ako. Natapos ko siya. Saving siya. Okay. Ayan. Save ko na siya. I-upload na lang. Punta kayo dito ng Woolies. Ha? Okay. Kukunin lang tayo dito. Saglit. Like this one. This one. This one. Get two of this. One and that one. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, bahay na kami. Ang oras is 7:30. And guess what? I'm cooking this. Buti na hindi ko pa ito linagay sa freezer. Kasi akala ko doon sila kakain sa sa pub. Sa pub, sa footy club. Kasi every Thursday, doon sila kumakain. And eto si Jan, sinabihan yung mga bata na si mami mo may ginagawa doon. Hindi alam ni Jan, ito yung pambaong-baong nila. So tumawag si Isa kanina. Nagtatanong siya na, Mom, what's for dinner? Sabi ko, huh? I thought you're gonna eat in the foodie club. Sabi niya, no, Daddy said you make something. So, ito yung sinasabing something ni Jan. So, kaya ayan, dali-dali ako. Piniprito to. Nung tumawag si Sak, sabi ko, sabi mo si TJ na magluto ng rice. Kasi yun lang yung option nyo, rice and this. Tapos si Jan magtinapay, tapos eto.
Oh, they're already ready.
Yeah, it's not hard. How's your lunch?
Yeah, good.
Huh? Let me see your lunch box. I have to check.
I don't like the beans.
The beans?
Yeah, I don't like that.
Beans are
Oh,
good.
the beans is, that's the same as the other one. Hindi niya kinain yung big sayang. But you had it last time.
Yeah, but I don't really like it.
How about the other one?
Come on,
The mommy. The one with the skin with salt. I forgot to put salt.
Wait, you know the peas thing?
Yeah, that's one. This is the one.
Yeah, but like, I did it, and then this other stuff, plastic stuff.
No, it's not plastic. That's the skin.
Can you eat that?
No, you just have to remove the skin. You have
That
just
was too hard.
Oh, too hard for you.
Mom,
Yeah, naubos. You,
after dinner.
yeah, you have to finish that anyway.
Can I have one there?
No, after dinner. So you don't want that one, sir?
What's wrong with eating the rice?
No, you don't want that one. Huh? So next time I'm not gonna put it in your lunch box.
And put a little bit, not a lot.
Alright, little bit. But I think you like the one with the skin better because you had it and you finished it before.
No, stuff it in the bin.
Did you?
I only had like two, but then
You chuck it in the bin. You're unreal.
I ate it.
Don't do that. If you don't like it, tell me so
But
I'm not
then-
gonna put.
Some fell on the floor because it popped out.
Next time.
I was
if you-
eating it in class. Everyone's
Okay.
like, ooh, that's in bean.
I just forgot to put salt. That's
Oh,
that's the one you had. Remember when we had somewhere in the restaurant and they give us that, and then you've been eating it like that. That's the one. I just forgot to put. I just forgot the salt.
How long ago was that?
Oh, this one. No.
I'll have that paste.
Kumakain na siya ng. Meron ba ako dito rice na tira? Kinakain niya rice. Gutom na talaga. Kawawa naman.
Who's just having this?
Huh?
Is that having that?
Yeah, Dad is having this one with in the sandwich. So yeah.
Just cook all of it, Mum.
All of this is a lot.
Yes,
This,
Paul.
this is a lot.
Wait. We'll just skip it. Make a lot, please, because I'm like starving.
Gutom talaga. Gusto niyang lutuin ko to lahat.
Like, really starving. I'll have that little piece of. I want to try it.
Alright. Let me know. What do you think? This is supposed to be your lunch. Like lunch? How's your lunch? The spaghetti. The spaghetti, good? Yeah. You had that one before with macaroni.
Is that mac and cheese pie?
Who said? No, that's not mac and cheese bite. That's spaghetti
I thought it
bite.
was.
Who? You?
Dang.
Oh?
Alvin.
Ah, your classmate?
Oh, God.
Ay, hindi na ako makakuha ng matinong sagot dito sa batang ko. Ipatry ko sa kanya yung ano. Eto. Gawa ko ni, ayan. So medyo nag-ano na siya, nag-firm. Pero kumakain na rin siya ng rice. You're eating rice. Breadcrumbs tayo dito.
What's that for?
I made homemade chicken nuggets.
Oh, what's that?
Kasi
Vegetable.
nakita niyo yung kasi ang chicken nuggets, wala naman talagang gulay.
Will that be
diba?
ready, Bob?
Oh, yeah. Just stop the... Ay! Oh my God!
Wait, so what do I do? Just put it on?
Shake the oil, like, slowly, like... No.
No, let me just get under.
Okay. Grab it prop. No.
I'm a chef. I know what I'm doing. Huh? Ready, what?
No. You have to scoop under. No.
Yeah, Paul, ready?
I'm not there.
There, look.
Okay, shake, and then put it there. And then you have to turn that over as well. You have to learn how to cook that.
I do, yes. Cool, but not anymore.
Why?
Oh, because I got told off it too many times.
What did you do?
The pan.
What did you do with the
That
pan?
was a joke.
I'm not gonna believe you because everything you said is you just gonna take it back.
Oh, I'm not gonna flip
No.
it.
I'll show you how. I'll show you. Like this. Like that. And then that.
That's not good.
Yeah, no, that's alright.
So, like,
You just...
so, like,
No, again.
like that.
Ang cute niya mag... Oh! No! Ah, no.
Bonnie!
The cold. Look at that. You can see the chicken now. Like that. See? No, it's not hard. It's just like this. See? You don't have to, just, yes.
They are no pop.
Yeah, that's how it is.
I want them like this, Pop.
Yeah, so... No, don't.
Let's cook it longer.
Don't do that again because that's raw. Okay, you don't put it there,
I already
okay?
did.
Well, we have to put it back later.
What do you mean?
Heat it up a little bit because you touch the... You don't do that with the raw chicken.
I think I did this.
Yeah, so you have to put it back.
This one. Ready, Pop?
Not yet. You have to wait until brown.
Will they be good?
What?
Them.
Daddy loves it.
Oh, is that what that said?
Yeah.
Wait, Dad, do you like them homemade chicken nuggets? Yeah, that's what Mum gave you.
Okay, can you give me a space there, please?
That's it.
That what just the strainer, mate?
Dad, can I just leave it in?
That.
Daddy's calling me.
Yeah?
What's this
I'm
for?
sure.
Pumunta ko ng Wool's. Nakalimutan ko yung egg. Ang kinuha ko doon ay corn. Nakalimutan ko kumuha ng eggs. Diyan na lang sa kapitbahay tayo, bibili. Si Jan nag-start na mag-butter ng bread. Kasi past dinner na 6:45, 7:45 na. No, 7:30 na yung sa phone ko. Doon 7:40. Just one?
Mommy,
Yeah.
where's mine?
No, yes, Bob, I'm still cooking. I think this is enough, you think?
Yeah. Fine, because I'm hungry.
Okay. Did you wash your hands?
Baby, you're fine. You're right.
Okay na to. Ang dami na nito. Gusto ni Sak, ubusin ko lahat. Gusto mo lang. Ito na lang yung natira. Ayan na lang, 4. Ito, ipatry ko to sa kanina. Come on. No.
These are the nuggets. These are nuggets.
This is your
Oh,
plate.
honey. Thank you, honey. Honey, that's
This is,
one.
no, this is Kuya. Yeah.
That's enough. One more.
Yeah, this is TJ. What? Come on, get your plate.
Thank you. So you're going to put some of it? Honey.
And can you get Holly plate, please? A small one for Holly.
Where's the small? Here, Pop. This.
Yeah. So this is a lot.
Oh yeah. Can I have that nugget?
Yeah. Wait.
Or do you want half it or?
No, I want you to try and TJ try.
I'll half it then.
Yeah, I will. And Holly will try too. Give that here. I can cook more.
Yeah, she can
She'll
cook.
cook more while
I
you're
will,
making that.
yeah, I will cook more.
There's Zachary pig.
Ubusin ko na lang.
What's that one? I haven't had that one.
Yes, this is the one I gave you outside.
Hey,
Ah,
good
I
aren't they?
thought it was this one.
No, this
Wait,
is
Mum,
the
is that the zucchini?
broccoli. Try Han. Again. Kuya, come on yan. The chicken nuggets.
Where's Holly?
Here, Baba. Zach, put rice for Holly, please. Do you want more chicken, Han, so I can cook this?
Yeah.
Oh, more plates, Pop.
Alright, I'm gonna...
I like them.
What? This one, the nuggets.
Yeah.
Can I put sauce on it?
Oh, gusto
Try
niya.
that.
Try the nuggets. Gusto nila yung nuggets. Linisan ko lang.
Mm.
Yeah, right.
Nice? That's
I'd
better.
rather have this than that.
Oh,
It's
gusto
good.
gusto nila yung nuggets.
Think of that.
Alam ko na yung aking gagawin para makakain sila ng extra. I will cook more, Baba.
There's a lot more, Pop. Oh, yeah, there's a lot more. That's good.
Oy,
Hey, it's a hot.
wala na kayong ano.
It's a hot.
Oh, I like the dino nuggets better though.
The dino.
No, it's good.
No, see?
It comes closer.
Ay,
Why do I want a little?
what's that, Baba?
There you go.
I'm still cooking.
No, a little bit of that.
I'm still gonna cook. Okay. Lutuin na natin to. Diba? Uwi na yung ating chicken nuggets na may. Ayaw ni Sak ng zucchini. Pero nagustuhan nila, diba? Kaya sinasabi ko, nung pagsabi niya, kung is this zucchini, sabi ko broccoli. Kasi ayaw niya ng zucchini. Pero, ano nyo naman, kinakain nila. Magsisinungaling ka nga lang.
That's one more.
Ito pala yung nagawa ko.
Swap this one.
So, lutuin ko na to para kay Johnny Boy and kids.
Some sauce, huh?
Ubusin na natin. Wala na. Itong schnitzel, wala na tayong natirang schnitzel.
Gonna come run off play Jack.
Where?
Yeah, tomorrow may dinner kami bukas.
Man on that.
And Leroy.
Oh, that.
Hunter? Will they watch our game today?
No, they're not here in Sac. Only Nana.
That's the Leroy.
Yeah, and Willow.
Just realised you.
Yeah, have a shower after and then bed.
What about when I have
I can blow dry.
Dad, what's that timer for?
Right.
On the board. Paul.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul.
Daddy?
Round rock.
Okay. Who wants?
Me!
Jesus Christ, Ronnie.
I want you to
I'm
done.
You're done?
You gonna eat all that?
Yeah, I am.
I'm just gonna fry it.
Just pull back.
You're done, Sac?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Done.
How are you, Holly?
Oh, I
I'm
will.
done.
Alright.
Well full.
Alright, everyone's full. That's good. Except you.
That weren't that good.
Huh?
That weren't that good.
What? Yeah. Magti-take away pa sana si John kasi sabi niya baka daw matagal. Okay na, Sac? Alright, ayan na lang natira. Hot? Okay. Meron pa ako ditong isang niluluto kay Kuya na nugget. Huh? Good? You like it?
Yes, Paul.
I thought you don't like zucchini.
So it's the king.
No, it's not. Broccoli nga.
Broccoli. I'm not, you know. I'm not the king, Mom. I'm not.
You watch my vlog. I put broccoli.
No, look. I can tell if it's cucumber, broccoli, or zucchini. That's neon-y. So that's zucchini.
Well, it's good, right? But I put broccoli too. Broccoli, zucchini.
So you're lying to me.
No. Because I know you don't like zucchini, but look, you like it.
Jamie.
Yeah. Even Jan don't like it. But you like it, guys. Narinig din ako
Yeah,
ni
you
Jan.
don't want that much in there.
You're not much. My God, kids. Si Jan hindi rin kumakain ng zucchini. Pero sarap na sarap sila sa nuggets. Minsan ayaw ako maging honest kasi ang mga reaction nila parang kakainin ako ni Jan. Yung po zucchini, lumaki yung mata. Ay, Kuya.
There's a game in it.
Whatever. Kuya ka man yan.
I'm done.
Oh, you don't like this now?
No, I'm full.
Okay, you're not eating this one?
No,
Oh, come on. I'll put it here to cool down. Yeah?
Can I have a shower now?
Yes, please. And kumain na silang banana muffin.
Yeah, banana.
Okay, linisin ko na yung aking kalat kasi hindi pa tayo tapos. Magbibilog-bilog pa ako ng aking chicken nuggets na walang zucchini. Ayan. Bibilog-bilugin ko pa to. Oh no, ito flat-flat ba? Na maging... So I was like, I can tell, Mom. I can tell what zucchini and broccoli. Pero sarap sila dito, no? Right, may zucchini yan.
my mom haven't lied.
Alright, yan. No worries. Okay, clean up time. So, naugasan ko na yung ating stainless steel na pan. Pero hindi pa siya tapos kasi malinis na dito. Pero yung mga gilid niya, yan yung mahirap linisin. So, sobrang dikit siya. And hindi ako gumagamit yung not stainless, yung parang net na silver, ano tawag, yung matalim. Hindi ko siya ginagamitan, no? Ito yung ginagamit ko. So, lalagyan ko siya ng baking soda. Then, yung liquid din, ganito siya. Ganito ang itsura niya. After ko siyang gamitin. So, ang ginagawa ko, Naglalaan talaga ako ng time. Yun lang talaga ang mahirap din dito. Sa stainless to kasi, kailangan mo talaga siyang alagaan. Dahil kung hindi ko yan tatanggalin, kakapal siya. So, kailangan ko siyang linisin. Ito yung gamit ko. So, ipakita ko sa inyo after natin makuskus. Ito lang yung gamit ko. Ito. Sinalagyan ko na siya ng baking soda. Ngayon, kukuskusin ko siya ng bongga. Yun lang talaga ang mahirap din dito. Kailangan mo siyang alagaan para hindi siya maging madungis. Gumagamit pa ako ng brush, pero dito lang sa gilid kasi hindi ko siya makuskus. So, kailangan ng brush para hindi na siya kumapal. Yung dumi ba, hindi kumapal. So, eto na yung ating kinuskus. Tingnan niyo yung gilid. Okay na. Wala na yung mga brown spots. Ayan. Pati yan. Kinuskus ko yan. Then, yung likod. Wala na yung mga brown din. Tsaka yung parang itim kanina. So, okay. Tapos na ako dito maghugas. Back to my nuggets na ako. Ito yung spaghetti bites. Ilalagay ko na ito sa ziplock kasi matigas na siya. Gagamitin ko rin kasi ito sa ating nuggets. Ayan, nilabas ko na yung ating mixture ng ating nuggets. Ayan, naka-gloves na rin ako. Ayan, may nagawa na tayo 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. May nagawa na ako 16 pieces. Ayan siya. Now, papatungan ko siya ng baking paper. Ayan. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung mga iba pa nating magagawa. Okay. Ang laki niya, no? 1 tablespoon to. 1 tablespoon. Ito yung gamit ko. Para pantay-pantay. Tapos may gamit akong maliit na spatula para ma-shape ko siya siyang nuggets. So, ito yung mga nagawa. 32 dito. May 3 ako dito. And meron pa ako dito natitira kaso wala na tayong egg milk mixture. So, dito na siya matatapos. Ito bukas na lang. Magpapabilaw ng eggs kay Jan. Kanina pa tulog ang lahat. Ako na lang yung gising. 10:45 na guys. So, yun na guys yung ating vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Gawin niyo rin po to. Masarap siya at saka patok sa aking pamilya. So, yun na guys. Good night.
Because I